Canada plans to welcome over 1.3 million immigrants between 2022 to 2024. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 easiest ways you can migrate to Canada. If this looks like
you've been living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On my channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. Click on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post any new videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you guys for the support. Honestly, I really do appreciate. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 easiest ways you can migrate to Canada for those of you wanting to japa. So lately, like, there have been so many opportunities in Canada, US, in fact in the whole of European countries. There have been lots of foreign jobs and lots of people wanting to relocate, especially Nigerians. Obviously, I'm a Nigerian, so I know what is happening, isn't it? So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 5 easiest way you can migrate. I'm not a professional, and also I'm not an immigration lawyer, so anything I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to be definitely based on my research. If this looks like what you're going to be interested in, please watch from the beginning to the end so that you can understand, and if you're interested, so that you can easily apply.
In this video, I will share with you guys 5 ways to migrate to Canada. You can try any of this method in order to start the immigration process. One of the legal methods to migrate to Canada by the Canadian government is that you can apply for visa sponsorship jobs in Canada. This video will focus on migrating to Canada, how you can migrate to Canada, how to protect yourself from fraud, and what to expect after you arrive in Canada. Canada plans to welcome over 1.3 million immigrants between 2022 and 2024. I will explain the 5 easiest ways to do so in detail. Immigration to Canada is not easy. There are many steps one has to take in order to successfully apply. The 5 legal easy ways to migrate to Canada are: 1. Express entry, Quebec selected skilled workers, temporary residency permit resident pathway, Atlantic immigration program, setup visa, family sponsorship. So now the express entry program. Immigrate at a skilled work through an express entry program. The express entry program is for those applicants who are skilled workers with foreign work experience. They will be considered if they meet the eligible criteria and other factors as well. This is not an immediate process. It takes time, patience, and a good score. Must meet the criteria for education and other factors. How express entry works. Application process and eligibility includes work, experience, education, and language skills for each program. 2. Get the documents you need. Language, test result, education assessment, job offer, police certificate, medical exam, proof of fund. 3. Submit your express entry profile. Create your profile, what to do while you wait in the pool, and invitation to apply. 4. Apply for permanent residency if you are invited. Fill out the form, upload document, pay your fees, and submit your application. The next point. If your application is approved, interviews inside and outside Canada, crossing the border and settling in Canada. Number 2. The family sponsorship entry. The family sponsorship entry is like if one of your family member is living in Canada, working in Canada, and have the authority to sponsor other family member, like children, mother, father, wife, etc. You need to be at least 18 years of age for sponsoring. You must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident of Canada. Then you can sponsor your family. The first point. Sponsor your spouse, partner, or dependent children. About the process. If you're eligible, you can sponsor your spouse, partner, or dependent children to become permanent resident of Canada. If you do, you must have the following: support them financially, make sure they do not need any social assistance from the government. To sponsor your spouse, partner, from $1,080 or a child from $150. To sponsor a parent or grandparent is $1,085. To sponsor a relative or an adult 20 years or older from $1,080. Sponsor your adopted child. Who can apply, how to apply, forms, fees and processes. I'm going to leave the link on the description below. Help for spouse or partners who are experiencing abuse. Identify abuse or neglected or get help if you are being abused. I'm also going to leave that link on the description below. Immigration option for sponsored spouse or partner. You may have option to stay in Canada if you are facing family violence. I'm also going to leave all that link on the description below for you guys to go through it. The third one, we have temporary workers program. The temporary foreign workers program aims to attract international applicants and students to gain work permits within Canada. All international applicants outside Canada can apply for this temporary foreign workers program. This applies if you got a job letter or job offer from a Canadian company. Then you will apply for this visa sponsorship jobs in Canada 2023. I'm also going to leave the link. Candidates can apply for these job opportunities in Canada. Like I said, I'm going to leave the link on the description below. The next we have the Startup Visa Business Immigration Program. The Business Immigration Program is aimed at individuals who will contribute to the Canadian economy through their investment and business skills. The main aim of this Business Immigration Program is by starting a business and creating jobs or support innovative entrepreneurs. Condition of Business Immigration Program: 1. Having a minimum net worth of 800,000 Canadian dollar. They must be willing to invest 400,000 Canadian dollar, which will be returned to them by the Canadian government after 5 years. Find out if you can apply, what requirements you need to meet, how to submit your application, and what to do after you apply. I'm also going to leave the link on the description below. Language testing for a startup visa. What language tests and levels do they accept? I'm going to leave all you need to know about this video on the description below so that you guys can check them out for easy, understanding and access. Find a designated organization. Get one of these groups to support your idea. Work in Canada while you wait. Work temporarily while your application for permanent residency is processed. If you're not following my social media handles, please do follow me, especially on Instagram, because I drop tips on how to migrate to different countries, both job, scholarship. I believe is going to definitely help someone. Check me out on Instagram.
So that is it for today's video. I believe this video is going to help someone. And with this, we've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.